Fractions all are aware? Fractions, okay. What is called as a mixed fraction? Or like an improper fraction? What is proper fraction? Okay, so in these two, which is proper fraction you tell? Which is proper fraction? 18 by 5 is proper fraction. This is improper fraction. Improper fraction. Okay. Now, this improper fraction, how to make it actually a proper fraction? How to convert this into an improper fraction? Okay. So whenever you want to convert a proper fraction into an improper fraction, keep the base same. Keep the base same. So multiplying this base by how many things will you get it closer to this 18? So 5 into 3 will get it to close to 15. So this becomes 3 here. So what's the difference from 15 to 18? 3 by 5. This becomes the improper fraction. So take some examples, do it. 20 by 3. 20 by 3. 71 by 7. What's the improper fraction for 20 by 3? 3 remains in the base. So 3 6 are 18. 6 comes over here. 2 comes over here. This one? 10 by 10. 10 1 by 7. 103 divided by 12. Slowly do it, no issues. See, you should know the table till 20, else I can't help out. Okay, online, what's the answer for this? 103 divided by 12. 12 remains in the base. So 12 into 8 makes it 96. So 96, 7, 8, 7 by 12. Okay, okay. Now just I'll write certain things. You just tell me the answer in the end. Don't tell it initially itself. Okay. See, in these cases, you have common base or the common denominator. So you can just subtract the numerators. So 11 minus 9 becomes 2 divided by 100. This becomes 5 divided by 20. This becomes 80 by 1. 80 by 111, right? Okay. These are for common bases. If you're having something like 1 by 9 plus 1 by 10, then so when you get different denominators, 10 cross 1 is 10. What is 9 cross 1? 9. Add these both, 19. 9 into 10 is 90. So 19 by cross multiply, add it and multiply the denominators. Okay, next one. 7 divided by 23 plus 1 divided by 10. Answer for this. Quickly. 7 divided by 23 plus 1 divided by 10. 93 by 2. Next one. 9 divided by 20 plus 2 divided by 15. Answer. 9 by 20 plus 2 by 15. 15 9s are 41 by 16. 175 divided by 300. So whatever is a simplifying thing you can just do. So in here just stop it. So if I do more, you will just confuse and forget everything. All understood? Okay. See, now you cannot remember everything whatever I said today. Practice. Practice with whatever number comes to your mind. Whatever number comes to your mind, just practice. Just do it. See the answer if it is coming. The only thing what I want you people to do is practice it for quick mathematics. Since you're going to do simplification, equations, and then the ratio proportions, guys, ratio proportions, and still like mensurations and all these things, you will need calculation, quick calculations. Just practice, practice, practice.